So you might be trying to figure out how you can turn off that Moo virus that's basically kind of, coming around everywhere. Now, here's the thing, it's not an actual virus, it's just a shortcut that basically takes over your phone. So the easiest way to do this, the easiest way to kind of, start this is by enabling Siri and telling Siri to turn off all shortcuts. So you could go through, if you can hold down your side button here, you can hold down your side button and you can say, turn off all shortcuts. And what's going to happen is it's going to start turning off all the shortcuts if it understands you. Sometimes it doesn't even do that. If that doesn't end up working, you can also just go through and basically restart your phone. So hold down the side button and the volume up button, slide the power off. You're going to go ahead and see if that ends up fixing the problem. And that might end up removing all those shortcuts that you have in the background. That'd be another thing I'd recommend kind of doing. You can also make your way over into the shortcuts application like we have right here, and you can hold down on that particular shortcut and you can delete that shortcut right there. So that is another option that you have there as well. So you have a few different ways of kind of going about it, but those are kind of the main ways to go and kind of fix it for the most part. So in terms of that, that covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace until then.